Wikimedia as a tool to share, to exchange knowledge of events or everything else that happens locally here in Uganda. So we are not only Wiki Women or Wiki Art and Feminism. We have quite a number of arms under the Wikimedia user group. We are quite many. We have the Wiki Soccer, we have Wiki Uganda. We also have the Wiki Data. We have Wiki Labs Monuments, which is a team of people who make edits on monuments that are local to Uganda here and share them on the global platform. Wiki Labs app that she's passionate about. We have Wiki Lab, and of course, Wiki Women and Feminism, which is why we are mostly here today. Our mandate as a feminist arm is really to enhance gender representation on the global Wikimedia. So we are responsible for bringing more women on the platform so they are able to share knowledge there. It does not necessarily have to be about women. You can participate in any way. You can join even the Wiki Soccer-thon as a woman, and you will promote other women out there. But also we would like to empower feminist voices. We would like to speak more. We are more vocal about issues concerning women. So that is one of the things that we do. And then of course we support mental health. We encourage more women to get digital.
Feminism is just around gender equality, but not only gender equality, but also gender equity, to kind of bring up women up front, or maybe in front. Especially, we know that historically women have been underrepresented in so many spheres, and they have not been given opportunity to be at the top.
So I think we as women should take a more active role in making sure that we challenge the stereotypes, even through art.
But I thank Wikimedia Foundation for this session, that we are really able to learn exactly what feminism is. And I think if we get out of this door, we are going to have a knowledge of what exactly feminism and feminists are.